We are on our way to the Las Vegas Strip, where we will be checking into one of the cheapest hotels on the Strip, the Excalibur Hotel, for 21 nights. And we're going to tell you why we booked 21 nights at the Excalibur in this video.
We get free parking because of our free MGM Gold status. The reason we booked 21 nights here at this Excalibur Hotel on the Strip in Las Vegas is because Bilt, the rewards program, had a promo where you get free Hyatt Explorer status just for signing up. All you had to do was go in their app, which was free, click a couple links, agree, link your Hyatt account, and then they give you free Hyatt Explorist for 90 days starting on April 16th. On top of that, if you stayed 10 days during the 3-month period from April 16th to July 16th, then you get to extend that Explorer status for the whole next year up until 2025, which is a great deal in that alone. But then on top of that, if you stayed 20 nights in that 90-day period at a Hyatt hotel, then you get Globalist status with Hyatt, which is their top tier status, comes with free breakfast at all their properties, free parking at any hotel or resort, even on award stays. You can gift your benefits to another person and book for them just like they had globalist status and get free breakfast, etc. It's the top hotel status that exists, in my opinion. Normally it takes 60 nights in a year to get it for just 1 year, but this gets it for about 1.5 years. Now, why we're staying at this particular hotel is because it is an MGM property, which if you include your Hyatt account number on your reservation, will count towards Hyatt status. So the nights you stay here will count towards Hyatt status as well. And you earn Hyatt points. There's also a simultaneous promotion through Hyatt going on right now, where if you stay 2 nights, for every 2-night stay, starting with your second stay, so you have to have one that doesn't count, and your second stay of 2 nights or more, you get 3,000 bonus points with Hyatt. And 3,000 points is almost enough for a free night. Their cheapest hotels are bookable for 3,500 points a night. So you're basically getting buy 2 get 1 free through Hyatt on top of this Globalist promotion. So we booked 1 night to start that promotion, and then we're staying 20 more nights separated to book the cheapest rooms so that we qualify for both of those promotions at the same time. And this hotel is bookable for as low as $30 a night. So it's the cheapest Hyatt qualifying hotel in the world as far as I'm aware. And since we have MGM Gold status, which we got for free from matching our Hyatt Explorer status, which we also got for free through this promotion, we get free parking at the MGM properties, and we also don't have to pay the taxes and fees and the resort fee, which more than doubles the price of a reservation. So it usually costs $30, $40, and then the taxes and fees and reservation and the resort fees will make it $90 or so. So this cuts the cost hugely just by having the free MGM Gold status. We should also mention that because of the free MGM Gold status, we got VIP check-in, so there's a separate check-in line for people with status, and then there's even a separate room, the VIP lounge, where you can check in if you're invited. I got an invite for that. It's nothing fancy, but there's no line, and you get some free water or Coke, and I've heard you can ask for a beer or something if you want as well. Also, with MGM Gold status, you're eligible for complimentary room upgrades, which we have gotten on some of the stays, and I'm sure we will on some of the others as well. We've got several more to go before we get to the 20 nights total.
People say a lot about this hotel, but honestly, we haven't had any issues here, and it's really a great value. The location is excellent. Of course, it's right on the Strip. It is definitely a little bit dated, but the rooms are clean, they're nice, they're a pretty good size, and this is, I think, a pretty good value, really.
Yeah, especially if you can get it without the resort fees and you're only paying about $30 a night. It's hard to beat for a hotel on the Strip in Las Vegas. So I tracked the value that we're getting from doing this. So we should earn about 4,300 Hyatt base points just for staying at a Hyatt qualifying hotel, plus the Explorer's 20% bonus on earnings. We should earn about 24,000 bonus points for the Hyatt promotion going on for the 3,000 points for every 2-night stay. And we should earn somewhere around 2,800 MGM points. Also, we are paying for all of these stays with a new credit card, so we're working towards a sign-up bonus. And between the sign-up bonus and the referral bonus, since I referred Sam, together that should get us quite a bit more points. Adding up the total value of all of these comes to about $1,290 worth of points. The total cost for all of these stays is only $708. And then when you factor in the value of Globalist status itself and account for the extra year that we're getting of that status, I used the Point Guy's valuation for that status and subtracted the milestone benefits that we're not going to be getting by taking the shortcut to status. So we won't get the Club Lounge certificates, the 10,000 free points, the category 1 through 7 free night certificate, etc. Subtracted the value of all of those, and when you add that value to the points value that we're accruing, and then subtract the dollar amount that we're paying for all these stays, we come up with a net value of $4,700 worth of points, status, and free nights that we're getting thanks to this trick.
We have been to over 26 countries in the last year, and we've saved over $170,000 on travel in less than a year by travel hacking. We're trying to make videos detailing how we do this, so if you're interested, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.